The Chinese Embassy, Abuja, has donated 5 million naira worth of medical supplies to 100 schools in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The ambassador of China to Nigeria, Zhu Pingjian, who was represented by Mr. Li Zuda, said that the donation was part of his country's support to Nigerian government's fight against the coronavirus pandemic. The ambassador, who said the intervention is to strengthen bilateral relations between Nigeria and China, added that the donation was part of several other interventions from the Chinese Embassy to FCT schools since 2017, including construction of classrooms.
I really feel very honored to do something for the FCT schools. Since the Chinese Embassy, we enjoy a long-term good relationship with the FCT. And in the social, cultural, educational, commercial, and all other fields, we have a lot of exchanges and cooperations. On this beautiful day with fresh air in Abuja's rainy season, there are two words I want to focus on. Those two words are friendship and solidarity. It is friendship and solidarity that bring China and Nigeria together. We become close and our friends and support each other, learn from each other. It is friendship and solidarity make the Chinese government try its best to do something for Nigerian schools. It is also the friendship and solidarity that always remind the Chinese Embassy to take the development of Nigerian schools and the students' health into its consideration. And especially at this harsh period, when numbers of confirmed COVID-19 cases are increasing in Nigeria, the embassy took prompt action to collect high-quality medical materials and overcame unbelievable difficulty to bring them over here.
And for his part, Mr. Christian Oha, Permanent Secretary, Federal Capital Territory Administration, FCTA, expressed appreciation to the Chinese Embassy for its long-time support to and partnership with FCTA.
I want to thank the Chinese government, like I said again, for this very kind gesture in a battle to contain the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic in the Federal Capital Territory. As you are all aware, all hands have been on deck from day one with the able leadership of our Honorable Minister to tackle the menace of the COVID-19 pandemic headlong. And we have put in all that is required in terms of structures, materials, funds, and in fact man-hours to contain this pandemic. We want to thank the Chinese government for always partnering with us, most especially in the education sector. We want to thank you for the support you've been giving to us. I want to assure you that we are not resting on us, and that this battle, like you rightly pointed out, will clearly be won by the FCT administration and by extension the Nigerian government because of the commitment, the zeal, the resilience, and above all, the leadership quality of our government. Everybody is committed to this war, and we assure you that the children, when the schools eventually reopen, will make the best use of these facilities to aid in their studies. And we also want to express the deep appreciation of the FCT administration to our government and to urge for further collaboration in other key areas to advance the growth of both countries.
News Agency of Nigeria reports that the medical supplies include 100 forehead thermometers, 200 electrothermometers, 200 goggles, 4,000 pieces of disposable medical face masks, 5,000 pairs of disposable medical gloves, 8 packs of health wealth tissue, and 16 packs of medicated soaps.